Eddie, what were your 3 best protein sources when you're trying to build muscle? Number 1, it's an egg. An egg, apart from breast milk, it's the number 1 protein on the market. Don't believe any lies. When you eat an egg, nearly 50% of it can be turned into tissue as opposed to whey protein. Whey is shit. Number 2, chicken. Almost all the physiques in the golden era and bodybuilding were built on chicken and rice. None of this bars and potions. They're shit. That's not food. Chicken. I eat chicken all the time, every day. Sometimes I eat it 4 times a day. Right now I eat chicken every single day. And the third one is red meat. Can afford it.